So now on to our next category, which is Coffee Shop Retailer of the Year, and I'd like to call up from CBRE Global Retailers, CBRE Global Investors, Carl Zeman to give this award away. Carl, please come up and join us.
And we have 3 nominees in this category: Costa Cafe, Etno Cafe, and Starbucks.
Starbucks, okay. I know it's a lot of walking, a lot of stairs. Yeah. So welcome. Thank you for helping us give this award away.
So, good evening once again. So after the good taste of food, we will see good taste of coffee. So the prize goes to Etno Cafe. Congratulations.
Etno Cafe, Coffee Shop Retailer of the Year.
Welcome and thank you for accepting this award for us.
On behalf of Etno Cafe, I would like thank you very much and wish you all a nice evening.
Yeah, congratulations. Come stand over here for us.
Please.